Next is the right arrow key. Here too, we need to see whether the Pac-Man is on the left side or the right side of the ghost as before. If Pac-Man is on the left side of the ghost, since Pac-Man moves to the right, that means to the east when the right arrow key is pressed. If Pac-Man is on the right side of the ghost needs to be moved in the east direction when the right arrow key is pressed. I click Ctrl and drag an if code block into this key down right code block like this. If Pac-Man is on the left of the ghost, the X position of the Pac-Man is less than the X position of the ghost. We click Map and drag a code block with a smaller than sign here. Two sprite.x code blocks are dragged under sprites to the left and the right side of the sign. The left side of the sprite is given as Pac-Man and the right side of the sprite is given as Ghost. If this condition is true, the ghost should move in the west direction. Currently, the ghost is facing to the east. It needs to turn 180 degrees to travel west. So we click sprites here and drag a sprite.setSpeed and direction code block. The sprite is given as Ghost and the speed is given as 5. Let's type 180 here. Next, let's see if Pac-Man is on the right side of the ghost when the right arrow key is pressed. Now, the X position of Pac-Man should be larger than the X position of the ghost. I click Ctrl and drag another if code block below the previously added if code block. Let's drag a code block with the larger than sign under Math for the condition. Two sprite.x code blocks are dragged under sprite to both sides of the larger than sign. It is given here as Pac-Man and here as Ghost. If this condition is true, the ghost should move in the east direction. Currently, the ghost is facing the east direction. It is necessary to turn a full round or 360 degrees to travel to the east direction. So here, we click and drag a sprite.setSpeed and direction code block. For the sprite, it is given as Ghost and the speed is given as 5. Here, let's type 360.